The moment you sit down, you want the screen to respond. You do not want to fight with an interface. You do not want to hunt for a setting that should be obvious. TiviMate understands this perfectly. It feels like a finished, professional piece of gear. When you open it, the guide just makes sense. The colors are right. The movement is fluid. Channel switching is incredibly smooth. It feels like the remote was made specifically for that one app. Every click does exactly what you think it will do. This is the gold standard for anyone who values their sanity. It turns a chaotic list of streams into a real television experience. But that polish comes with a price tag. The moment you want to do something cool, you hit the paywall. You want to record a movie while you watch a game? That will cost you. You want to see multiple screens at once? Better get your wallet out. The free version is there, but it feels like a shadow of what it could be. It is limited. It is restrictive. It feels like you are driving a car that will not go into top gear unless you pay. You are forced to use it exactly the way the designers intended. Then you look at OTT Navigator. It is the complete opposite. It is not pretty. In fact, it can be downright confusing at first. The menus are packed with options you might never use. It feels like a heavy toolbox that someone just dumped on the floor. But there is a hidden power there. If you are the type of person who likes to customize every single pixel, this is your dream. You can change the channel groups. You can tweak the layout. You can filter out the garbage. You can make the search actually find what you are looking for, even in a list of thousands of items. It handles massive amounts of data with ease. It does not slow down when the lists get long. It is built for the power user, the person who wants to tinker, the person who wants to control how the guide behaves down to the last detail. It is not a finished product. It is a flexible framework. You have to put in the work to make it look good. You have to spend time in the settings to make it functional. It is a bit like building your own furniture. It is a struggle at first, but the result is tailored specifically to you. One is for the person who wants to be a couch potato. The other is for the person who wants to be an architect. You have to decide how much effort you are willing to put in before you actually start watching. Do you want a beautiful, fixed experience? Or do you want a messy, but infinitely flexible machine? Both have their place. Both do things the other cannot. TiviMate makes you pay for convenience. OTT Navigator makes you pay with your time. It really just depends on if you want to watch the show or if you want to master the machine. There is no perfect solution. There is only the one that fits your patience level tonight. It is about the balance between elegance and total control. Either way, you are just trying to get to the content. And these two paths couldn't be more different. Choose the one that doesn't make you want to throw the remote at the wall.